Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have JBL Live Beam 3 headphones and I'm going to show you how you can easily manage adaptive equalizer. At first we have to scroll down in our audio section to adaptive EQ. We have to go into it, and here we have low volume EQ, leakage compensation. Here, as you can see, we have turn on leakage compensation. Enabling this feature will increase power consumption while making these features unavailable. Smart stock, personal sound amplification, high resolution audio, and check my best fit. You have to tap continue. Low volume EQ boosts highs and lows to maintain the same high fidelity performance, even listening to in low volume. Leakage compensation automatically adjusts the EQ settings based on how the earbuds fit in your ears. That's it, hope it helps you. Goodbye!